Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2015 Piaggio X10 500 executive model. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Piaggio. It is HPI clear and it does come with a spare key in the pack. What we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike for you. This is in a nice bright metallic silver. It does have the LED headlight on the front. Let's get a look down at the front wheel. This is also ABS on this model. It is the executive model, so it does have a few of the extras. It does also have traction control on this, which you can switch on and off. It does also have the electronically adjusted suspension, so you can adjust that manually. A little button up on the cockpit, I'll show you that later. Let's get a look at the condition of all the plastics on this. It does have a side stand as well as the main stand it's on at the moment. We'll just put it on the main stand so we can start it up for you. As they'll only start these when the side stand is up. Let's get a look at the what you can see of the engine. Get looking at that back wheel as well. Let's get a look over the top of the seat as well. You notice it does have the top box with the backrest on it. Get a look at that. Let's get a look at it from the back. Let's get a look on the right hand side now. Look at the exhaust and the back brake there. Notice the two calipers on there. The lower one is actually like a handbrake on a car, so when you put the side stand down it pulls that brake on. Just a little extra security measure, stop your bike rolling away if you park it on a hill. It's never happened to me, but I'm sure it has happened to some people. So let's get a look at the condition of all the plastics on this side. They have quite a big storage space under these as well, under the seat. Do say there's enough room for two helmets in there. It does have an interior light in it as well. I'll show you some of the storage space up near the dash as well. We'll have a look at that and get the exact mileage. Okay, let's take a look at the controls. So you've got your throttle on this side, your front brake, you've got mode button, your kill switch and your starter. And over on the other side you've got your back brake, your lights, you've got your, that's your main beam, your dipped and main beam on there, your indicators and your horn underneath there. And you've also got your ASR button which switches your traction control on and off. you've got your remote button for your petrol flap and your lock button for the back of the seat. So let's get a look under the seat at the storage space. You can see it's got a light in there, plenty of space in there for 2 helmets. And then we'll get a look at the other storage boxes you've got. You've got one on this side. Now I think that should be a USB, yep. So you've got a USB there, so you can use that for charging your phone or any accessories, sat nav, anything like that. On that side, let's spin the bars to this side, have a look in here. You have another box in there, which has also got your switch there. You see the high, off and low on that. That's for your heated grips on there, and that's for filling your coolant. And also down here we've got the 2 buttons there. That's for your suspension, to adjust the suspension. So we'll turn the ignition on, get the mileage off it. Use this mode button to flick through. Keep going there. Sorry, my bad, it's this one or that one. There you go. So there's the miles on it, which is 18,504. As you can see, the spring on there, if I use these buttons, the up and down on there, that adjusts the suspension. You can see the spring is moving on that. And there you go. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dave or Dawn a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.